Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Look at this beautiful vehicle, 2014 Volkswagen Passat SE turbo diesel TDI. Very clean vehicle, only 124,000 miles on the odometer. Very happy with this one. It's a pleasure to drive. It has that typical German driving experience. Jettas, Passats, Audis. They're different than Honda and Toyotas. And in order to help people to enjoy these vehicles and be happy with them, I will really quickly show how to fold rear seats. So there is a split. It's a 1/3 and 2/3, I believe. And normally you will think there will be this handle here. And for those who came in the cabin and realized that it's actually not that way, this is the very quick video. So you need to make sure, if you want to fold them, that the whole vehicle is unlocked. You can use the key or this button if it's unlocked, because if you drive it might be just this door and not the rest of it. So I will pull on this, the rear should open, and actually the buttons are right here. It has a huge trunk. If you look inside, this is ginormous, and I understand if somebody will be standing up here, they will not even see it. So there are hidden levers which actually clearly show. Let me put the hand there. You can see the logo. It shows basically that folding. Come on, baby. Why you will not do that? Yeah. So you have the levers. This is obviously the driver's side. Here is the passenger side. And this will release those seats in the case it's needed for something really large. You can grab these. Look at it. Look at that incredible tunnel. Yeah, you can fit the people there in the length. If you will be in emergency, you have nothing in the car, I can tell you what, you can definitely lay down and sleep in it. This is a very large vehicle, and this is how it's done. To put it back, after you use this feature, you just clip it like that. Here's the other side. It's actually done for us already. Everything can be closed and you are good to go. So I'm sure many people will find this helpful in the future. I use the opportunity having this vehicle here to film this little how-to video for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.